What's up, Survivor Squad? It's your girl Totally Ty, and I am back with another DIY video. Today we're going to be taking this 2X men's shirt from Walmart and we're going to be turning it into a romper. If this isn't your first time watching my videos, you know that we start off with laying the shirt down flat and also inside out. Next, I'm going to be taking a romper that I already have and using it as my template. I did forget that this romper was a side boob romper, so if you don't want any side boob, make sure you use a romper that isn't a side boob romper. So then after I lay that flat, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting out the shape of the romper. I didn't leave enough space, so honestly my romper did come out a little bit too small, so always make sure that you leave at least an inch or an inch and a half of space. Basically that's for your seam allowance, and it allows you to be able to sew it and have it still be able to fit on you. Now I'm going to fold the shirt in half so I can make sure that it is going to be even on both sides. That way I won't have to eyeball anything. It's going to come out perfectly fine on both ends. Once you have everything cut out, you're going to pin it down so that way they're going to stay even with the front and the back, so when you're sewing it you don't have to worry about your fabrics moving or anything like that. Then you're going to want to sew all of the edges together. I'm not going to show you guys me sewing everything because you have seen me sew before, and yeah. Now I'm going to be cutting the neckline out so I can make the romper be how I want it to be as far as how the top is. And then I'm also going to use like a little brochure to measure it so I can make sure that it's going to be evenly straight across it. I said that kind of weird, but y'all get the point. So yeah, I'm just going to cut that out, and then once I have it cut out completely, I'm going to pull on the strings. That is how you create the string effect with your fabric, basically pulling it like what I'm doing now. Basically your work here is done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to join the Survivor Squad, and leave comments down below of videos that you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching.